Okay, I think this is just the last part. We have to protect our route quickly. So I have to use this util which I created earlier. Okay, if you watch the previous video, you saw the place where I created this. So we're saying that if this section dot this is equal to this, that this should just go on where, that everything should run where. That is, if this is this, then run, and if it is not, then it should just say, we should just say, send a status of 404 and say it's not unauthorized, is the person is unauthorized. So we can, or the user is unauthorized, or the visitor is unauthorized, that's the right word. So let's come in here and check out this. So I added it to all the routes. So this is just it. I've added it before now, but I've not done it for the others. So we just add it to all the routes. So like a middleware. So we've done this before. So add it to all the routes that you needed to be protected, and boom, we are good to go. So it means that if you're not logged in, you won't be able to view some certain files. So for example, want to view a file here. I'm logged in now, so I'm just going to log out so you can check out that. So I'm just going to show you one of it, how it works. So if I log out, and right now I'm not logged in, so I shouldn't be able to view that again. So I want to try to view that same stuff now. I want to view some pictures, but I couldn't. So it's just going to send this record that I'm unauthorized. And this is the status that we send, which is 401, which means unauthorized. That means we can't view that profile, right? So you can log in the login profile. You can log in, yes. Very simple. You can log in with your details, and boom, you'll be back again, and you can do whatever you want to do in. And you can see I can access the login, because in the login profile, I did not, we don't want to protect the routes that allow people to log in or log out. So if you can see here, so this route, this middleware is not there. So we didn't place it there. So it's free and good, and you can just use that. So, and no big deal. So that is it. So we can log in and do some stuff. So I'm logging in, and here we go. And here we go. I'm logged in now. So I can view some other stuff like send message. I can send message to a particular ID that I wish to. I can get a message. I say I get a message. I can get all messages that was sent. So let me try to get all messages that was sent to this person. So let's see if this person have any message. So we'll go to the get all message, and let's run that if Ben actually has all message. So we're going to wait for that, and we can see no, everything shows 200, right? Which means everything went well, but unfortunately, no message was actually sent to this guy. So we want to try to also send message to some other people. So let's just go to the send message. This is get all message where we create message. So let's create message and send to somebody as well. So we can do that from our route. You can say I'm using this once. You can navigate because we've actually done all this queries before now. So I want to send it to this person. So I want to say hello from, I think that person's name is Ben. Hello from Ben. The person who is logged in. And I want to send it to a certain ID. So let me check the ID I like to send it to. So I like to send it to this guy. So to Sylvester. So this is going to be the ID that will be sent to. So I've explained all this before how it works. So if you've not watched it, please go back and watch it. Do not jump any step. So here we go. I just want to send this message to this person. So boom, we go, we send a message to this person. So message sent, the message has been sent to this person. And we can also send to another person. Let's see, who else do we have on this user again? We have another user called James, so we can send to James and say, James, how are you? So we can say, James, how are you? Here we go. We send to James. Say, hello, James. So, uh, so that's it. We just do that and we send to this. What else do we need again? It's sent. So we can view all the messages that was sent. right? We can get all message. I think that's called get all message. So I'm just going to look for the previous one. Just too lazy to type in that. So the route name is trying to see where we got messages. Okay. So this is, it should be get all message. So let's go to the get all message and see now this time. So we'll try that out. We can find that there's a message, right? So we can see a message and we are getting a message. So there was a message that was actually sent to this guy before now. So a message was sent to this guy by a certain ID. So this is the ID name, right? You can get this ID name. The person who sent the message to him was Sylvester, right? That's the message. And let's check out. There are other messages as well. So let's check out. So there are some other messages. He said, hi from Ben. So the one he sent and the one that was sent to him are all printed out here. So you can see that the one he sent and the one that was sent to him. He said, hello, James. The one he sent and the one that was sent to him. So the front-end developer is not just going to arrange everything and boom, good to go. So we're just testing that to see the route and see how it works and see that if you're not logged in, you're unauthorized to do so. So if I log out again, I try to do that thing that I just did now, definitely I'm going to be kicked out right away. So if I try to view this, and you can see it said that I logged out. So I try to go back to what I did earlier and to view all message. It's just going to tell me that I'm unauthorized, so I can't view that. So I have to what? Log in. Right, you can give more information instead of this unauthorized. You can see you're not authorized to view this page. You can log in, blah, blah, blah. You can write in whatever you want to write in. Just give some wonderful informations. And I think that is all we needed to do. So the application is working as expected. So it's time for the finishing part that we'll be creating a GitHub repository and we'll be pushing it. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Bye for now.